Hi. This is my minecart track. First it goes up a few bumps, then a hill. Then it will go another hill, and then another bump. And then finally, there's another hill. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Oh, you want to see more? Okay, just sit back and enjoy the show. Here comes the tunnel. Uh-oh, he seems to be contaminated. Let's bring him to the maintenance line. Seems pretty good. Okay, moving on. Here we have a small hill. Here comes the zigzags. This is the hardest part of all. And then comes the hill zags. Okay. Here comes a corner bump. Small hill. Here comes my favorite part. He will go in through this side and come out on this side of the teleporter. Really awesome. Okay guys, thanks for watching.